Hello and welcome to Clear and Confident English, the podcast that helps you speak English with clarity, ease, and real-world confidence. I'm Bella, and I'm so happy you're here. In every episode, I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can understand, follow along, and, if you like, repeat after me. Together, we're building the habits and skills that lead to real English fluency. Not just studying words and rules, but actually using the language in your life. Today's episode is all about something that holds a lot of learners back: translating in your head. Have you ever tried to speak English, but your brain is still thinking in your first language? It feels slow, confusing. You search for the words, you hesitate, you lose confidence. That's completely normal. But the good news is you don't have to stay stuck there. Today, I'll show you how to stop translating and how to start thinking in English step by step. Let's begin with this. Why do we translate in the first place? It's simple. When we learn a language in school, we're usually taught through translation. You learn hello means hola. Good morning means guten Morgen. I'm hungry means j'ai faim. So your brain creates a habit, native language to English. But here's the thing. Fluency means switching that around. It means thinking directly in English without the extra step. Why? Because translation is slow. It makes speaking feel like work, not conversation. So, how do we fix it? Here are 5 simple ways to stop translating and start thinking in English step by step. Tip 1. Use short, clear sentences, just like a child. Children don't say complex grammar when they first learn to speak. They say, "I'm tired. It's cold. I want juice." You can do the same. Instead of thinking, "How do I say this long thought in English?" break it down. Make it simple. Start your day with, "I feel sleepy. Time to get dressed. Where is my phone?" These are real, useful thoughts. And they train your brain to think naturally in English. Tip 2. Label the world around you in English. Look around right now. What do you see? Say it out loud. This is a table. I see a blue chair. There's a coffee cup. You're not studying vocabulary. You're living with it. You can even use sticky notes to label objects at home: fridge, door, mirror, window. Over time, you'll start to see your world in English, not just your first language. Tip 3. Narrate your actions. This one is fun and powerful. As you go through your day, try speaking or whispering what you're doing in English. I'm brushing my teeth. Now I'm putting on my shoes. I'm walking to the bus stop. You're not performing for anyone. It's just you. This kind of speaking practice builds fluency, confidence, and vocabulary all at once. And guess what? You don't need a teacher for it. You just need a moment of quiet and your own voice. Tip 4. Create your daily sentence bank. Every evening, write down 3 simple sentences about your day in English. For example, today I had a busy morning. I met a friend for lunch. I watched a movie after work. You can keep them in a notebook or on your phone. Then, tomorrow morning, read those same sentences out loud. This is how you connect your thoughts, feelings, and routines directly to English. No translation needed. Tip 5. Practice with reaction phrases. These are short phrases we use all the time without thinking. Really? That's great. Oh no. I can't believe it. Wow. Start using these in your thoughts even if you're alone. When something surprises you, say, "No way." When something makes you smile, say, "That's funny." This helps English become your emotional language, not just your academic one. And when you start reacting in English, thinking in English becomes much easier. Let's pause now and practice together. I'll say a few sentences. You repeat after me. I don't need to translate. I think in English one step at a time. I can speak with confidence. Great job. That's how fluency is built, word by word, moment by moment. Here's something I want you to remember. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need a big vocabulary. You just need small daily English moments. The more you think in English about real things in your real life, the more natural it becomes. So starting today, try this. Describe what you see. Narrate what you do. Write about your day. React in English. These are not study exercises. They're life exercises. And they are exactly what fluent speakers do every day. Thank you so much for joining me today on Clear and Confident English. I'm Bella, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and remember, fluency doesn't come from fear. It comes from practice. You've got this. Here are some other videos that you might like.